Say hello.
Hey, what's up?
So we're studying for a year at the University of Pennsylvania, which is in Philadelphia.
We love it. It's the best.
We love it. It's about a 10-minute walk in the city, so we're going to be doing a little...
20 minutes.
Shut up.
Fast.
So we're going to take you on a little tour of the lovely city of Philadelphia. Who said it's always sunny in Philadelphia, guys? Because they were wrong. Where are we at?
We're in Rittenhouse Square,
Lit.
which is where the posh people live.
It's the bougie area.
It's like the Hyde Park in London.
It's kinda.
And in the Park City Blackpool area, 68 degrees today.
Emily, where are we going?
Being option.
Are you coping?
My sister's asked me to draft one of her papers on my thing. I'm touring the city. I haven't got time for that.
Thoughts?
Amazing. Good.
We're coming up to City Hall.
Ahead for the year, and 1 and 53/100ths behind for the year so far. We'll be looking for a little bit of a change tomorrow.
Look at it. Do you want to go inside?
Today, of course, there's nothing showing up on the radar. However, the satellite photo was pretty interesting. After the US.
I'm trying to teach you something.
Rain showers, thunderstorms.
It used to be the top.
Yeah, that one.
I'm going to put the date at the bottom.
You see the frontal system on there. That begins at 6 o'clock in the morning. And then you'll see the cloud pattern move until 2 o'clock this afternoon. So as of that time, of course, the front was way off in the northwest. Now, however, it's moving into the central part of the nation with a couple of high-pressure cells behind it.
She's beautiful even when it's wet. Little jaywalking thoughts.
I can't break the law. I'm not a citizen.
To be fair, this is a very authentic experience.
This is very authentic. Look how beautiful it is outside. What really pisses me off about American machines is like you have to like dip your card and like.
Oh, it's a big problem.
And
It's a big problem.
works.
Pockets of low pressure and a fairly heavy band of rain showers and snow all the way from the eastern portion
Back home.
down to western sections of the valley.
Back in West Philly where we belong.
Born and raised.